Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to make a picture, a PDF on your iPhone. So let's bring up my pictures and let's say I want to make this pretend document an actual PDF file. So what you can do, you can press it, you want to press this share button here at the bottom, and you want to come down and select save to files, and we'll just save it in our downloads here. And we can take that away. You want to come to the files. Let's open up the files. You'll see this recent here. So once you go into the files, you want to find the image you've just saved. In our case, it's here in the recent. It's a long hold press on it, and this will bring up this sub menu. And you want to come down. You can see quick actions here. You want to select that, and then you want to select create PDF. And that will quickly turn that into a PDF, and now here it is as a PDF file, and you'll be able to share this wherever you wish. So that is how to make a picture, a PDF on your iPhone. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.